नमस्कार दोस्तों और मित्रों, वेलकम टू माय न्यू video today. In today's video, I will talk about Bosch front load washing machine. The product you are seeing on your screen is a Bosch front load washing machine, which the company had launched recently 2024.
నేను ఒకటి కడున్
We have purchased this particular model for our home use. Bosch is a German-based company. The engineering and technology of German company is the most advanced. This product is absolutely rock and solid. It is a 9 kg capacity front load washing machine, and this 9 kg capacity machine is more than sufficient for my family size. The WGA1420PIN model was recently launched by Bosch company in its front load washing machine category. This model is Bosch Series 8 category, which come in 9 kg capacity and 5-star energy efficiency rating. This machine comes in dark lake finish, which is looking wise absolutely very beautiful. The WGA1420PIN model comes with spinning speed 1200 RPM. So after spinning results, clothes almost 70% dry condition. This model comes from Chennai factory. It means it is made in India. Current MRP of this model is 59,490 rupees. Bosch use stainless steel drum in this washing machine and drum volume is 53 liters in this washing machine. Vario inverter BLDC high quality motor available in this model. The Bosch company provides on this product 3 years comprehensive warranty and 12 years on motor warranty. This product has many features and each feature is customizable. As a result, washing quality is much better. The WGA1420PIN Series 8 category 9 kg 1200 RPM this model net weight above of 71 kg.